Adjustable frame. This bassinet stable frame features 5 adjustable height positions. Mesh sides. Mesh sides provide a clear view of baby and help air circulate. Care and cleaning. Spot or wipe clean. Easy to clean. Included quilted mattress pad cover is waterproof and machine washable. Ideal size. Assembled dimensions: 31.5 inches length by 19.7 inches width x 25 to 30 inches height. Product weight: 22 pounds. Designed for your baby's safety, JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by ASTM. Great baby shower gift. Give the gift of peace of mind. This bassinet provides new parents a safe, separate sleep space for their baby. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, good-looking, compact, and functional. We planned to have our daughter sleep in a pack and play in our bedroom, but when we set it up it was very large for our small room, blocking both of the closets and making it difficult to navigate to the door. This bassinet is perfect for our space, and our 6-week-old daughter sleeps well in it. Unlike a lot of the other bassinets at this price point, which are portable travel bassinets, this is very sturdy and feels like a real piece of furniture. I love that it has mesh sides, because although I always place my daughter in the middle on her back, she has a habit of curling on her side and often ends up with her face near the mesh wall. It's also a nice, sophisticated-looking object. This is far from the most important thing, but it's a nice bonus that it looks nice in an adult's bedroom. The only downside is that it only comes with one sheet, and in my experience, due to middle-of-the-night blowouts, you need more than one. Target makes a 2-pack of oval bassinet sheets, white and white with gray polka dots, that fit great and are less than $10 for both.